What is going on, my brodies? It is Andrew of It AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a brand new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, I figured it would be a good opportunity for us to go through some of the samples and MIDI inside this brand new Billie Eilish sample and MIDI pack. It's called AT Happier. It's a Billie Eilish inspired sample and MIDI pack, as I just said. If you want to get the link to that pack, it's down in the description down below. But I also wanted to tell you guys that somewhere in this video, not at the end, not necessarily in the middle, but somewhere in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys how you guys can get this sample and MIDI pack completely free. We're only picking 2 people. If this does really well, we may pick some more. I'll let you know in the comments down below, but I will also let you know if we picked the 2 people. But in order to get this free sample and MIDI pack, you guys got to wait for the instructions on how to get that somewhere in this video. So don't skip, just watch it. It's not going to be a long video because all we're going to do is just go through some of the samples. I'm not even going to make a beat. Not in this video. I figured it would be a good idea to check out some of the samples. Let's check out Braille. It's the second one in the sample and MIDI pack if we're going alphabetically, I think. This one's more of an energetic one, but we also have the more somber ballad-inspired Billie samples. And like I said, you guys get the MIDI, so if you guys don't like certain elements or sounds, you could just literally copy the same melody and put it on a different VST or sound. Oh, I love this one. This is one of my favorite samples. It's so dark, melodic, and somber. I feel like it captures that Billie essence and vibe perfectly. All of these samples are composed by Tony over at beatat.com. I'm just here right now making the videos and, you know, doing all the behind the scenes, making sure you guys get what you purchased and download, and make sure, you know, everything else is operational and working, and even cooking up some beats with these. Here's all the MIDI, the melody compositions inside of there. You got cellos, dark risers, echo kicks, gentle grain bell, piano. Like, it don't sound like there's a lot going on, but there is. Oh, super fire. I get like chills listening to that. I think we're the only people making Billie Eilish and Lorde inspired sample and MIDI packs, at least to our caliber, where we're giving you guys so much, so many different styles and all the tools and shit for it that I don't know anyone else doing it. On top of that, we got Polo G, Rod Wave, Trippie Redd, Lil Uzi, Lil Durk, Detroit type of sample and MIDI packs. We got so much. Here's another somber, slower type of sample. We're going to play just through a few more. So let's play another one. And here we are. Here is how you guys or whoever can get this sample and MIDI pack, the full version with all the samples and MIDIs and stems and everything. This is how you can get it for free. So how do you get it for free? Just go over to our Beat AT Instagram page, give us a follow. You know, that's free. Then all you need to do is go to the sample playthrough video. It will look like this. Go there and then comment Billie for free. Billie, the number 4, free. All one word. Just say that. We'll follow up with you on your Instagram page. We'll shoot you a message. Tell us your email, your Beat AT account, and we can add the product to your Beat AT account or send it directly to you. Probably better that we just add it to your Beat AT account because then you can access it for a lifetime there. Beat AT Instagram page. Go to the sample playthrough video. It'll look like this. And then when you go there, go to the comments, Billie for free, and then give the Instagram page a follow. We'll pick out 2. If this does really well, we may pick a few more. I'll comment down in the description down below. So, back to the video. I figured we could also go through some more happier, upbeat type of samples we have in this pack. So let's do that. So I think like we got one of these where they got, oh, this one's super fire. I could definitely hear this off her newer album. Oh, this one's super fire. This also gives me like some Kanye West Yeezus vibes. It almost kind of reminds me of Black Skinhead in a way, but obviously more Billie focused. And you guys get the stems for this in MIDI. And then we got this one sample called Tethered, and it has a chorus section and then a more of like a bridge verse section. So I'll play both of them. Also has this chorus, like right here. Fire. So yeah, I figured that would be it. Just wanted to make this video pretty quick and short. Get straight to the point about the sample and MIDI packs. If you've made it this far and skipped ahead, you already missed on how to get this sample and MIDI pack for free. So just watch the video in its entirety, you know, and don't skip. But yeah, I appreciate anyone who's made it this far, watched the video in its entirety, and hopefully you guys like our sample and MIDI packs. If you want any specific sample packs for the future, leave a comment down below. Be sure to participate on how to get this sample pack for free, because we are giving away 2 copies. If it does really well, we may give away some more. And if you guys made it this far, I will just say, here's a coupon code. Here's a coupon code. This is for the It AT store. Use it for any products. It does not expire. You can only use it one time for your account, but I figured if you guys made it this far. So thanks for watching. This is Andrew of It AT Production Publishing. Be sure to give us a like, share, subscribe, and check out our Instagram page as well. See ya.